welcome to my first video over here. My name is Robin and I am a travel and language coach. Say what? I know, you don't hear that very often, so I'm here to explain a little bit what that means. But first of all, I would love to introduce some characters that help me or that I use in order to explain what I do, or in order to convey the educational pieces of what I do. And let them come in. Hola, soy María. Soy tu profesora y amiga de español. Soy ingeniera. Nací en México, pero mis padres son de Colombia. Ya no veo la hora de hablar contigo de todos los temas súper interesantes de ciencia. Vamos a hablar de física, vamos a hablar de psicología, vamos a hablar de biología, todo. Pero va a ser divertido, claro, por supuesto. Y también, ay, por favor, tan aburrido. Hola, yo me llamo Laura. Voy a ayudarte con muchas cosas. Voy a ayudarte con temas de artísticos y humanísticos como baile, arte, cantar y aprender español a través de la música. Te va a encantar, te lo aseguro. Y también, pues, con mi prima vamos a tener muchas conversaciones, porque no siempre estamos de acuerdo. De verdad, casi nunca estamos de acuerdo, pero somos primas, somos familia. ¿Qué tenemos que hacer? Solamente nos queremos mucho. Mucho. Nos queremos mucho. Hasta pronto. María. Whoa. Oh my God. Hey there. Did you see that? They're crazy. I'm telling you, they're crazy. They're super fun, especially together. But they're total cray. Total. Anyway, I'm Jane. Apparently, I was summoned here to talk with you about anything that is travel connected. I mean, I guess I've been around quite a bit and I love traveling, and I think you're here for that reason too. I think you also don't see travel just as a get on the plane, go relax on a beach kind of situation. It's so much more than that. There's so much more growth to it, and the experiences. I know you're here because you want to get those experiences, and I can tell you all the little secrets of a lot of experiences and a lot of little things that you can do, whether locally or whenever you can abroad as well, hopefully soon. But yeah, other than that, I just love reading and I love writing about different adventures. So this is why I'm here, apparently, and there's a crazy fam. I just met them on one of my travels when I went to Colombia, but other than that, they're fun. They're really fun. I catch you later. Gotta go and read a little bit more. Bye. Bye, Jane. Hey, how you doing? So I was brought in because I'm an expat, so I've been living abroad for 10 years plus now. So I know everything about moving abroad, adapting to a new country, adapting to new cultures. And so yeah, Robin asked me for a little bit of help on that. And I'm more than happy to help and serve you. Where I'm from? See, lesson number 1. You get that question all the time. Where are you from? I hear an accent. True. I'm originally Italian. I know. Are you scared now? You should be. Ciao! And here they are. I am slightly regretting. Is this okay? Sorry, you can hear my thoughts? I didn't mean that. I mean, they're so nice. I'm really excited to have them. Yeah, teaching you. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. I'm sure. Actually, there was another person that I wanted to introduce you really quickly. She's a handful. She's a handful, and she just kind of appears from nowhere. It's very, very weird. I'm telling you. And I'm not sure what her name is. Actually, yeah, I'm not sure how I know her. It's completely. Hi, it's me, Miss Y. Oh my god, that's a rhyme. So I am a student, I guess. Like, they took me under their wings, all of them, the fam, and I am so excited to learn and everything. And I have loads of questions, like a lot. They love it. They absolutely love it. I love it. You love it. We all love it. They keep on telling me. Are you cold?
Yes,
like,
I'm cold.
It's not. They keep on telling me that I am overly positive, and it's not a good thing. But I think, I think it's good. Why isn't it good? Why isn't it good?
Okay,
Is being ultra positive about everything.
I can't wait.
She's
I can't wait.
great. All right. Anyway, I am super, super excited that you jumped here. I hope the aim of all of this, of course, is not just to entertain or have multiple personalities, because I totally don't relate. No. Okay. Jokes apart. The aim of this is, of course, to teach you and educate. I'm here. I'm a coach. I'm a language and travel coach. This is what I do, and sometimes I think you gotta spice it up a bit. I mean, it's fun for me, and I hope you find fun to learn this way as well. I think it comes from the fact that I love storytelling and I love theater, acting, and dancing. Well, you guessed right, way louder dances. But yeah, so I really hope this is a good way for you to learn and be entertained. All my videos won't be longer than 10 minutes, I would say, because I really want you to have that snap of the day. I really want you to be able to go and enjoy and learn in bite sizes, because I feel like nowadays we're just overwhelmed with information and there's just a lot out there. So this is also a challenge for myself, and I love challenges, to be concise and try to convey as much as possible in little time. So 5 minutes to 10 minutes. That's what you can expect when you come here. It is crazy. It's been a crazy journey, so I'll be there to also talk about anything that is connected to side hustling and coaching and what it is being a language coach, being a travel coach, what that is. So you'll see a little bit of the behind the scenes, but everybody else here, I call the fam, is here to educate in a more fun way. So yeah, you can expect average fun from me. Also choking. Anyway, this is it for now. This is the first video. I hope you enjoyed it. A long espresso. That's all I need for the day. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you find all your positive energy, all your positive vibes, so that you can get whatever you want out of your day. Go and get it.